This 2018 K-Z Sportster 190th is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 K-Z Sportster 190th is 4,075 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.